Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prachko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. And I have a special announcement for you today. For the entire month of October, my private monthly spirituality journaling prompt videos will be open to everyone. You'll be able to scroll through my YouTube and see all of the past private monthly spirituality journaling prompts. But at the end of October, all these videos are going private again. So if you'd like to have access to them at any time, make sure you head over to owlsandindigo.com/library. In the resource library for the Owls and Indigo tribe, you'll find all of the past private monthly spirituality journaling prompt videos and a full moon wallpaper for each of the different full moons. I have a set for all of your devices, your computer, tablet, phone, and they're different. They're entirely different. There is a pink and blue set and a mystic, dark, and brooding set with the dark night sky. You can also find all of my worksheets and ebooks in the library as well. Make sure you check it out. These ebooks are going to help you get to know yourself better, journal more, and uncover those subconscious secrets that you've been wondering about yourself. So before the month of October is over, make sure you sign up for my private monthly spirituality journaling prompt so you can get on the list to receive all of those private videos in the future. It goes out on the first of every month. You'll receive a private email from me, the secret monthly spirituality journaling prompt, a private video explanation, and a peek into my private journal entry for the exact same question. Sign up now before the first. The link is in the description. And check out the Owls and Indigo resource library linked down below. That way you can have access to all of these free ebooks, free wallpapers, and private monthly spirituality journaling prompt videos at any time of the year. I'm so glad that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!